Permi ka na lang nagre-rest. That's it.
That's about it.
We're out in the open, ha? Kung saan ka lang. Araso!
Hello to all our family, friends, and subscribers. Our stay at the SKP RV Park in Pahrump finally came to an end, so we prepared our truck and moved on. You gotta go get the dirt off the truck. It rained mud here.
Yes, we're preparing our truck and camper because today will be the last day of our stay here in this RV park. I'm just gonna pick you up if you fall.
Okay.
We're here cleaning the camper because it rained mud the other night. So we're pretty much cleaning everything. Yes?
Yeah, we're gonna have to clean the truck again because of the runoff from the camper. Marilyn's replacement green card had been sent to our old address. It was supposed to be forwarded to Pahrump, but unfortunately it was returned. We decided to go to Vegas and stay for a few days to try to determine what had happened. We initially thought we could overnight park in the casino parking lot. We went to Boulder Station and were informed that there was no overnight camping allowed anymore. A check of the internet verified this. There is no more boondocking in casino parking lots in Las Vegas. While driving around, we spotted an abandoned parking lot of an old Kmart, and we decided to stay there. I think it was dripping water here.
Hello, Daddy.
I'm running hot water here.
Think so?
Yeah, this thing right here. Okay, so I let some of the pressure out, and then it stopped dripping. Right there. Right there. This is hot.
Gotta turn it off.
Why?
The hot water.
Or you'll go off and the water's hot. Anyway, the tick-tick's broken. I gotta go around and open the door.
Make sure you got your keys always, Araso.
The next night, we stayed in the parking lot of our mechanic, Battleborn Diesel. Even while boondocking, we were able to enjoy a delicious dinner. We're boondocking here and having a steak dinner at the same time outside of Battleborn Diesel, our mechanic. We'll get our new MAF sensor installed in the morning, and then we should be back on the road again. We're here at Battleborn Diesel, and it's time for breakfast. We're here at Planet Fitness, and I just signed up for the black card so that we can both take a shower and work out, possibly.
I'm here inside the Planet Fitness locker room. It is so spacious and clean. Fortunately, it was not so busy, so I had plenty of hot water. I just finished my shower and I feel fresh.
Filipino restaurant and nightclub.
Nightclub? Let's go there, Daddy.
Right.
Let's go clubbing.
We decided to spend a night out at Lake Mead. We camped at Government Wash. That's when we heard a big windstorm was heading into the Vegas Valley, so we decided to go back and leave our camp at Lake Mead. Well, there's a big windstorm and rainstorm coming according to the weather report on the internet, so we're going to leave our camp here at Government Wash, head back into town, find a place to boondock somewhat out of the weather.
That's it.
That's about it.
That is so.
On the way back, we stopped and hiked up to the Gypsum cave.
Can you see our camper?
Yeah.
Still little, yes? So meaning we're so far. And ta-da! Here's the cave that we're trying to see. Ooh, Daddy.
I don't want to go down there.
No, we're not gonna go down there.
I did before when I was in my early 20s. Not no more.
It's kind of creepy. They said they live here.
Indians, I guess.
This is it. Look, there's like a... Daddy, it's too steep and you're gonna have a hard time coming up. I thought you already saw this one.
When I was very young.
Daddy, it's the same thing. There's like a ladder.
Ladder there?
Yeah. I don't want to go there, Daddy.
You want to go down the ladder?
I said, I don't want to go there.
Oh, okay.
That's enough.
What's it look like in there?
Nothing, it's just the end of it.
It doesn't go back, it's like a big pocket.
Yeah, it's just a big pocket. That's it. Hello.
Hello.
Let's go now.
Come on back now.
Yeah. Good job. And we're gonna go back, yes?
Yeah, that's it. We've seen the cave.
Yeah.
What else is there to see?
Nothing. I don't want to go. There's like a ladder, but it's gonna too dark. Yep. We saw the cave. What do you call this one?
Gypsum cave.
The Gypsum cave. And it's too dark right there. I'm somewhat scared to go in there. There's like a ladder. Maybe the people who went there, they have like torch or something.
Flashlights.
Flashlights? No, because there's like a black thing, you know, when you have like a torch,
yeah.
something. Ooh.
Which one? Go back around
And
or
look,
go down?
give me a second. That our camper is right behind us. It's too small, so we're kind of far from the road. Hiking back will be kind of easy, I guess.
Can you see the lake over there or no?
You did a great job, do you know?
Thank you.
Good job ka na naman. Good job. Good job. Yes, good job. Okay na. Good job ka. I'll give you a star. There's the star. Say hi. Daddy. Permi ka na lang nagre-rest.
We returned to Vegas and stopped at the library to recharge all our devices. The wind was picking up and was really strong, so we decided to head back to our boondocking site near the old Kmart. We're here at our boondocking spot again, the same one. The weather's real bad outside and I didn't want to travel too far, so we go to the place we know. That's about it. Amazing.
Daddy, look. The wind is rocking our camper, do you know?
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
okay.
no.
We're not going to tip over.
Make sure we're not going to tip over because I got
Only
this soup right here. Do you know?
Only a tornado can tip us over, and we're not in tornado area.
But the wind is so strong.
Well,
it's like enraged.
It's gusting. That's all. It's gusting.
How long are you going to do this?
All night, maybe. Who knows? Just relax. It's no big deal.
We'll be like in the ocean. Look, our camper is like bouncing back and forth, side to side.
Welcome to RV
Welcome
life.
to... Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice, you know. But I'm just worried it might tip us over.
No,
Oh.
I'm going to tip over. Grab my keys.
What will you do?
I think you're right. And
What?
Start up the truck and pull it forward. Just for a while. Get us out of the wind.
It's too strong, huh?
Yeah.
What about our food right here?
I'll be right there. Just keep everything stable.
How could I do that?
Hold on to it.
알았어. Is it too... We're out in the open, huh?
Wow.
알았어. Hello?
I'm not in the mood, please.
You cannot see my husband because our battery is somewhat running low. So we have to turn off everything. Daddy? And I have my headlights on. Ta-da!
But at least we can run the pump.
This is my husband. He's somewhat kind of not in the mood because everything is somewhat kind of up. Well, the weather is not good. It's so windy outside. It's rocking our truck camper. And also we are here in the parking lot wherein there are many cars or not so many cars checking us out.
It's an abandoned Kmart, and the security has come around and checked us out already, but didn't knock on the door. But I got a feeling he's going to be back. For 8 days, we stayed around Vegas, but finally decided to head out and go visit my dad in Havasu Landing. We're here at the Johnny Walker RV Sales Parts and Service, and we found this on the internet that they have a free RV dump, so we're going to go ahead and dump our tanks for free. Right. Note how it's hampered, so we can put it back the same way. So I'm going to come around this way here. That's about it, I guess. I'm going to uncramp it. Okay. All right, that's it. Thanks for coming along with us on our journey. Until next time, keep it real.